the man who will lead them away for round 7 of the series here on the streets of Porto, and a very quick start. Away they go from the outside of the second row. Marcello Puglisi trying to dive into second position, but it's Sanchez Lopez that leads. Johnny Cecotto Jr. on the outside of Jerome D'Ambrosio, and that battle continues. D'Ambrosio with the black helmet on the right hand side of the picture gets held out as they sweep round turn 2. There's a crash behind as well. We'll pick up exactly who didn't get off the grid. That may be Giuseppe Terranova there, or possibly Tor Graves actually, but we'll pick up with that. Out of turn 4 and starting to head up the dual carriageway. David, a couple of cars left on the grid, and predictable damage. It was Tor Graves, predictable damage among a couple of them as well. Just wheel spin. Well, let's have a look again at the start, and we had a staller that about 4 rows from the back was that was Dominic Mermans, where he did get away. And in fact, at the beginning of the warm-up lap, we had a problem as well for Inácio Beloardo, but he got the car restarted through the first couple of corners. This is Fisherman's Bend, or it's not called Fisherman's Bend, but there's a huge representation of a fisherman's net there. And Tor Graves, in fact, hit the wall on his own and was going very slowly, and was then hit, I think, by Rodolfo